As a parent, you may have to help your kid with their homework. I've certainly had to.
Here's where Gemini can help. For this demo, we've created a simple interface, and with some clever prompting under the hood, we can really leverage Gemini's math, reasoning, and multimodal capabilities to learn a subject like physics.
With Gemini, you can upload a photo of handwritten answers on a worksheet.
Not only can Gemini solve these problems, but this is the amazing part. It can read the answers and understand what was right and what was wrong, and explain the concepts that need more clarification. So Gemini identified some mistakes with problems 1 and 3 here.
Let's take a look at 3.
Here, Gemini identifies that the formula was correct, but there was a mistake in calculating height. We can ask Gemini to explain in more details why the height is 50 meters instead of 6.
I can ask Gemini to explain further.
Here, Gemini explains the step-by-step details to solving the problem. Because of Gemini's ability to understand nuanced information and answer questions relating to complicated topics, it can give you a customized explanation of the subject you're trying to learn. And lastly, if you want to learn more, you can just ask.
Gemini will provide personalized practice problems based on mistakes.
Here I have a similar problem where I have to figure out the cat's speed, where the height of the ramp is double.
Oh yeah, I knew that.